Hi! In this video we'll demonstrate how to add PDF.co custom connector for Power Automate Cloud. First step would be to go to the Custom Connector sub-menu inside the Data section. Upon clicking, it'll open a page for custom connectors. From the top right menu named New Custom Connector, click on the Import and Open API File menu. This action would open a pop-up for importing a Open API file. Let's name this connector as PDF.co. For an Open API file, we need to select a JSON file for that. We have already put PDF.co, the Power Automate custom connector, at the PDF.co's website. Go to PDF.co and browse for all integrations. From this page go to Microsoft Power Automate. On this page, you'll find a button to download a custom connector. Now, perform the download and save file to your machine. Moving back to Power Automate, select the downloaded file and click on the Continue button. It will display all information regarding PDF.co extension. Next step will be to click on the Create Connector button, and it'll save PDF.co custom connector. And that's it. We can now see PDF.co custom connector added.